Dive into the vibrant and rich history of Mexico, a nation whose name carries a tale as old as time itself. The name Mexico is a beacon of its past, a remnant of ancient civilizations that once thrived in the heart of the Americas. Originating from the Nahuatl words Metztli, meaning moon, and Zictli, which signifies navel or center, Mexico metaphorically translates to the place at the center of the moon, or the place at the center of the lake. Historically, it is a reflection of the region's geography, with the Aztec capital, Tenochtitlan, nestled in the midst of a lake under the watchful gaze of the moon. The Aztecs, one of the most influential civilizations of the pre-Hispanic era, are responsible for this poetic naming. Their culture, brimming with rich traditions and folklore, has left an indelible mark on the nation's identity, making Mexico a living testament to its storied past. The Aztecs were known for their advanced society, remarkable architecture, and intricate social, political, and economic systems. They were a civilization in tune with nature, the cosmos, and the divine, intertwining these elements into their daily lives and cultural practices. And it's from this profound connection that the name Mexico emerged, a name that encapsulates the essence of a nation at the heart of a lake, under the gaze of the moon. Just imagine a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago, naming their land after celestial bodies and geographical features. A name that has endured the test of time, surviving colonization, revolutions, and transformation, to represent a country that is a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and histories. And so, Mexico, the place at the center of the moon, began its journey through time. A journey filled with tales of resilience, diversity, and rich cultural heritage, a journey that continues to unfold, shaping the vibrant, multifaceted nation that Mexico is today. From its creation, Mexico evolved, growing into 32 diverse and unique states. Much like the vibrant colors of a piñata, each of these states brings its own distinct flavor to the party. From the sun-bleached beaches of Baja California in the west, to the lush, tropical rainforests of Quintana Roo in the east, the geographical diversity is staggering. In the north you'll find the arid deserts of Chihuahua, while the southern state of Chiapas boasts the Lacandan jungle, one of the last great rainforests of North America. And let's not forget the bustling metropolis of Mexico City, a state in its own right, teeming with life and culture. But it's not just geography that sets these states apart. Each one is steeped in its own rich history and traditions, from the indigenous cultures of Oaxaca to the colonial architecture of Guanajuato. Each state, a world in its own, contributes to the colorful tapestry that is Mexico. At the heart of this vibrant country lies its bustling capital, Mexico City. A pulsating epicenter of history, culture, and modernity, Mexico City is more than just a capital, it's the lifeblood of the nation. As the seat of government, it's where the political heart beats strongest, the hub where policies are made and the future of Mexico is shaped. The city's cultural importance is unparalleled, offering a rich tapestry of experiences, from the traditional mariachi music that fills the air in Garibaldi Square to the avant-garde art exhibits in the Museum of Modern Art. Economically, Mexico City stands as a powerhouse, driving the country forward with its thriving industries and innovative startups. But it's the spirit of the people that truly defines it, their laughter, their resilience, their unwavering pride in their heritage. This is where the soul of Mexico pulses in the crowded markets, the colorful festivals, and the daily lives of its citizens. Mexico City, a testament to Mexico's enduring spirit and relentless progress. Mexico's allure isn't limited to its citizens. It has long been a beloved destination for U.S. citizens. The enchanting culture, the warm, sunny climate, and the affordable cost of living have attracted over 1 million Americans to call Mexico their second home. The vibrant traditions and the rich history of Mexico are captivating. They find themselves drawn to the rhythm of mariachi, the taste of authentic tacos, and the vibrancy of the Day of the Dead celebrations. The favorable climate with its endless summers is a haven for those escaping the harsh winters up north. The cost of living is another compelling reason. From affordable healthcare to lower living costs, Mexico offers a lifestyle that's hard to resist. The slower pace of life, the welcoming locals, and the chance to immerse oneself in a new language and culture add to the charm. Mexico, a home away from home for many Americans. Mexico's charm extends to its diverse landscapes, a feast for every explorer's eyes. As we delve deeper into the heart of Mexico, we uncover an array of natural wonders that are as diverse as they are captivating. Picture this, a country where sun-kissed beaches give way to arid deserts, dense jungle canopies shroud hidden waterfalls, and towering mountain ranges cast their shadows over sprawling cities. Begin your journey on Mexico's coasts, where pristine white sand beaches stretch as far as the eye can see. These paradises, kissed by the Pacific and the Gulf of Mexico, offer a tranquil retreat from the world. But Mexico's coastal regions are more than just a beach lover's paradise. Venture a little further inland, and you'll find luscious mangroves and tropical rainforests teeming with exotic wildlife. As we venture deeper into the country, Mexico's landscapes transform dramatically. Here, the lush greenery of the coasts gives way to the stark beauty of the desert. But don't be fooled by the seemingly barren landscapes. These deserts are alive, home to hardy plant species and resilient wildlife that have adapted to thrive in these harsh conditions. But Mexico's geographical diversity doesn't end there. The country is home to a range of mountain ranges, from the Sierra Madre Occidental in the west to the Sierra Madre Oriental in the east. These mountains, with their snow-capped peaks and rugged terrain, offer a stark contrast to the country's coastal and desert regions. And let's not forget about Mexico's lush jungles. These verdant landscapes, home to an array of unique flora and fauna, are a testament to Mexico's incredible biodiversity. Here, the air is filled with the calls of exotic birds, the rustle of leaves as monkeys leap from tree to tree, and the distant roar of waterfalls. So whether you're a beach bum or a mountain climber, a fan of the desert or the jungle, Mexico's diverse landscapes promise an adventure for everyone. Mexico, a country that truly has it all. Mexico's fiery spirit manifests itself in the form of its awe-inspiring volcanoes. These fire mountains, as some might call them, are nature's way of reminding us of the Earth's raw power. Standouts among these include Popocatépetl, the Smoking Mountain, and Paricutin, the volcano born in a cornfield. Popocatépetl, one of Mexico's most active volcanoes, is a majestic sight to behold. Its plumes of smoke and ash are a testament to the volatile energy that lies beneath our feet. Then there's Paricutin, a unique phenomenon that emerged from the Earth in the 40s. This volcano holds a special place in the annals of geology, as its entire life cycle from birth to extinction was witnessed and studied by scientists. These volcanoes, and many others, serve as the fiery guardians of Mexico's landscapes, adding an element of drama to its diverse topography. They are living, breathing entities that embody the country's vibrant and resilient spirit. Volcanoes, the fiery guardians of Mexico's landscapes. Mexico's past whispers through its majestic pyramids, relics of a time long gone. These towering structures rise from the earth, silent storytellers of a rich and vibrant history. They are the echoes of a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago, a testament to the ingenious architectural prowess of ancient Mexico's inhabitants. Take a moment to marvel at the Pyramid of the Sun, one of the largest structures of its kind in the Western Hemisphere. Nestled in the heart of Teotihuacan, a city lost in time, this gargantuan pyramid stands as a tribute to the sun god. The pyramid's colossal size and precise astronomical alignment reflect the ancient civilization's advanced understanding of the cosmos. Not far from the Pyramid of the Sun, the Pyramid of the Moon casts its own imposing shadow. Though smaller in stature, it is no less significant. This pyramid served as a ceremonial center, where rituals were performed to honor the great goddess of Teotihuacan, the deity of water, fertility, the earth, and even creation itself. These pyramids aren't just impressive feats of engineering, they are the heart of Mexico's cultural heritage, a tangible link to the past. Each stone, each stair, each monument tells a tale of the people who once walked these lands, of their beliefs, their rituals, their way of life. They whisper stories of a time when gods and men walked the earth, of epic battles and peaceful coexistence, of the rise and fall of empires. They are a reminder that Mexico's history is not just a tale of conquest and colonization, but a saga of resilience and innovation, a testament to the human spirit's indomitable will. In every stone, in every pyramid, Mexico's history comes alive. These echoes of the past serve as a reminder that the stories we tell, the cultures we celebrate, and the history we honor are not just about where we've been, but also about who we are and who we aspire to be. In Mexico, sweetness isn't just a flavor, it's a tradition. Nowhere is this more evident than in the history and significance of Mexican chocolate. This isn't your run-of-the-mill sweet treat, it's a culinary masterpiece that dates back to the ancient Mayan and Aztec civilizations. Revered as the food of the gods, it was traditionally consumed as a frothy, bitter beverage in sacred rituals. Fast forward to the present day, and Mexican chocolate has evolved into a delightful delicacy enjoyed worldwide. It's distinguished by its grainy texture and unique blend of spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, offering a burst of flavors with every bite. More than just a dessert, it's a celebration of Mexico's rich heritage and gastronomic brilliance. From the ancient temples to modern kitchens, this sweet treat has stood the test of time, enthralling taste buds across generations. So, the next time you savor a piece of Mexican chocolate, remember, you're not just indulging in a sweet treat, you're biting into centuries of tradition. Mexican chocolate, a sweet bite into Mexico's culture. Mexico is not just a consumer but a creator, a nation of innovators and inventors. It is a land where ingenuity thrives, where necessity sparks creativity, and where solutions are born out of challenges. Let's delve into some of the many inventions that have sprung from this vibrant and diverse country. We'll begin with an invention that has undoubtedly transformed the way we experience the world: the color television. This ubiquitous device, which brings vibrant hues and vivid imagery into our homes, was invented by a Mexican. That's right, Guillermo González Camarena, a Mexican engineer, invented a color wheel-type television while he was just in his 20s. His invention, patented in the early 1940s, changed the face of television and broadcasting forever. But the list doesn't end here. Mexico has also made significant contributions to the field of medicine. The birth control pill, a revolutionary invention that has empowered women worldwide, can be traced back to Mexican roots. Dr. Luis Ernesto Miramontes Cardenas, a Mexican chemist, co-invented the synthetic component of the contraceptive pill. This invention, made in the mid-20th century, has had profound impacts on society and women's health. And let's not forget about the inventions that are less known, but equally impactful. Take, for instance, the torton, a type of truck used all over the world for transporting goods. The torton, with its distinct design and functionality, is a Mexican innovation, born out of the need for efficient transportation of goods. These are just a few examples of the many inventions that have come out of Mexico. They represent the spirit of invention and innovation that is deeply embedded in the Mexican culture. These inventions, whether they are in the realm of entertainment, medicine, or transportation, have left an indelible mark on the world. Inventions, the testament to Mexico's ingenuity and creativity. From the color television to the birth control pill, these innovations remind us that Mexico is not just a place of rich history and stunning landscapes, but also a breeding ground for ideas that change the world. In Mexico, a toast isn't just about the beer, it's about the celebration of life. If you've ever cracked open a cold one, chances are it hailed from Mexico. This vibrant land is one of the world's leading beer exporters. But here, beer isn't just a beverage, it's an integral part of the culture, a symbol of camaraderie, unity, and the zest for life that Mexicans are famous for. Mexican beer is a testament to the country's rich history and diverse influences. From the light, crisp lagers to the dark, robust ales, each brew tells a different story of the Mexican spirit. And it's not just about the drinking. The beer industry also plays a significant role in Mexico's economy, providing jobs and contributing to the nation's development. So whether it's a beachside fiesta or a quiet evening at a local cantina, beer is always there, adding to the color and charm of Mexican life. So raise your glasses for Mexico, a country that's truly worth celebrating. From its name to its landscapes, from its pyramids to its beer, Mexico is a country of endless delights. We've journeyed through the states, the capital, the land, and even the volcanoes. We've tasted the sweetness of Mexican chocolates and toasted to their beer exports. We've marveled at their inventions in the presence of fellow Americans. A captivating tapestry of culture and natural beauty, Mexico truly enchants. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content. Until next time, adios amigos.